Hey, what's up, everybody? This your boy named Jaquan Moultrie. If you're here watching this video right now and you're looking for an opportunity to make money online, then this is what I want you guys to do right now. I want you guys to like this video, share this video, and make sure you comment down below, making sure that, hey, I am ready to start learning how to make money online with affiliate marketing. Now, the reason why you're watching this video is because you want to learn how to make money online for the very first time. And I'm going to show you, I'm going to go do a video review, and I'm going to show you how you can make money online as a free member. And guess what? There's other opportunities as well that you can even make way more money than what you can see right now. So for those who are new here, that's looking for an opportunity to start making money online within the next 24 hours, then go ahead and click that like button. Make sure you hit that smash the like button, hit that subscribe, and turn those notification bells on as well, because it lets YouTube know that you're interested about how to make money online with affiliate marketing. Now, I know some of you guys are probably like, okay, what is affiliate marketing? Now, affiliate marketing is when you, as an affiliate, you promote other people's products and services, and you make between 50 to 75% commissions. Okay, so basically, you promoting a vendor's product, and whether it can be make money online, dating relationships, or health and fitness. Okay, those are the three categories that you can start promoting. Okay, now with that being said, guys, let's head over to this new website called Downlight Club. Now, for those who probably don't know about this website, it's called Guaranteed Downlight Club. They've been around since 2020, ever since they launched. But they do have new features on here as well. Sorry, but with this website, with Guaranteed Downlight Club, you can sign up for free, and you can also register to become a member with Downlight, with Guaranteed Downlight Club. And guess what? When you sign up for the first time, you will get a $5 bonus, okay, when you sign up. So that means when you sign up under me, you can get a $5 bonus and start making money from there, okay? So, without that being said, guys, what I want you to do, go ahead and click that link in the below, and you'll be redirected here, okay? And then I want you to watch this presentation video about, it's going to tell you all about how Down Club works and how you can join for free and how you can able to make money just by referring people. Now, here's the thing. Now, if you sign up and you get the $5 bonus, right? You will get the $5 bonus once you sign up. Now, here's the thing. If you refer people, right, you get 50 cents every time you refer somebody when you sign up. So that means every time when a person signs up under you, you get 50 cents. That 50 cents can turn into $1, or it could turn into $10, $20, or even $100, whatever the case might be. But if you want to turn that $5 into $500, then you gotta keep referring people almost every day. Okay. Now I'm gonna show you a good strategy in this video. That in this presentation video, I'm gonna show you how you can monetize by getting free traffic to this offer. Okay, to the affiliate offer that you are promoting for the money that you're gonna start making. Okay. So, with Guaranteed Downline Club, it's all about making money online for free. Like, I know other programs might sound a little iffy and all that, but don't worry about that. The thing is, sign up. It's easy to sign up for GDLC, which is Guaranteed Downline Club. That's what it stands for. It's 100% free to join. There are no paid memberships. Okay? Remember that, guys. Once you sign up for free, you will get a $5 bonus along with the people that you're referring that adds up. So remember, get the $5 one time, but if you want to refer people and people start signing up, you will earn 50 cents per sign up. And that 50 cents can turn into $10, $20, even $500. It depends on how well you refer people to get more signups to make more money. Now, I understand that. So, here's the thing. It says you can share it with your friends and get a referral link and share it with everyone to make even more money. To make even more. Start earning even more. There are even more ways you can make money with GDLC. Join now. Alright? So guys, this program does work. Like, I haven't been promoting this program in like last year because I upgraded to I'm gonna show you right now. This is another one too when you sign up, guys. When you sign up after you sign up to become a member with Guaranteed Downline Club, what I really want you guys to do, right? This is a one-time payment, and you can start earning 6 figures per month. Whether how many people want to upgrade to the MPI. So MPI stands for the money plugin. Okay, that's what it really means. The money plugin. It said, do you want to make a 6-figure income with the money plugin? MPI stands for money plugin. Okay. It said you can double your advertising results, plus you can make 5x, 10x, or 20x, or even more money. Okay? And it says new major change. With the MPI, not only do you want double your advertising results, not only do you make more money with your own built income stream, you can now get your money faster. Okay? And here's the good part about this program, guys. You can request your funds when you only have $25. You no longer have to wait until you have $50. So that means you can get paid instantly once you have $25 in your account. But what if you don't want to cash out immediately when you have $25? So that means if you want to build your income stream so you can able to cash out how much money ever you want, you can withdraw how much money you want, and you can withdraw all of it however you want. Okay? You're gonna get it straight to your PayPal account. Alright? But in this video, I'm not gonna show you that. I'm not gonna show you that because I'm not gonna show you my information because I don't want people to see my information. Alright? So that's private though. But anyway, yeah, this is how the system works. Alright? So when you sign up, guys, I want you to watch the presentation video first, and then once you sign up, I want you to upgrade to the money plugin. It's a one-time fee. The one-time fee is $19.97. I am a member of the plugin as well, so basically I upgraded so I can able to make 5x, 10x, 20x, or even more money than that. Okay, so that's about it. So basically, this is what I'm doing right now. So I want you guys to watch the video, and I want you to click the video so you can able to start making money. Hold on. Sorry about that, guys. So interrupted. But anyway, so when you sign up with Guaranteed Downlight Club, and you're gonna get your $5 bonus, and then once you do that, you can automatically upgrade to the money plugin. I'd rather for you guys to upgrade so you won't get any pass-ups, okay? So you won't have to pass up yourselves to me, your referrals to me, okay? So the very important, guys. I'm already with this program already, and I haven't, like I said, I haven't been promoting this company within a year. It's been over a year, so it's like now I'm ready to start back promoting this company again because I've been with this company for about 2 years. Okay, so and then yeah, I've been with this company for about 2 years, but I upgraded on here since March of last year, 2021. So that was last year, but I didn't do a video for this one. So I'm doing a video today for you guys, so you guys can understand how this compensation plan works. All right. So it's going to tell you everything what you need to know. So I want you to watch this compensation plan, how the money plug-in works, so you can get the benefit of the doubt. So you can start referring other people, so people can upgrade and then you can start increasing way more money. Okay, so that's how this work. Okay, so each time when you refer somebody, you will make additional the 10x, whatever the case be, you can get paid, guys. This is the one right here for right now, as you can see. Just give me one moment, guys. Sorry about the phone. Sorry about that, guys, but don't worry about that. That was my phone. But anyway, yeah. So basically, guys, that's basically it right there. So they also have more money you can make, whether you can get your own free lead system, frequently asked questions, resources, weekly webinars, more money, updates, make millions, testimonials, and members shout out. Okay? So you say you wanted to get paid, right? This is what you're gonna do. You can sign up. All you have to do is sign up, right? Sign up, guys. Once you signed up, I'm gonna tell you right now. 1 second, guys. 1 second. Let me go back to my thing real quick. This is what I made so far. I made $6.56. I made $6.50. I only have 3 referrals, and right now I'm active with the MPI. So that means I can even make way more money. That's if you decide to upgrade to the level at the $19.97 one-time payment, and then I will receive the passive to me. Okay. So the thing is, guys, this is how it goes. So if you want to sign up, I'm going to copy it and I'm going to go to a new tab, and then I'm going to paste it right there, guys. And here it is. And then what you're going to do, you're going to sign up. All right. So once you sign up, you're going to sign up, and then bam, bam, bam. All right. So that's how you do it. So basically, guys, this what you can get access to. You can get access to referrals, payments, wallets, and profile. Okay. So yeah, and then you're gonna have your referrals. Like, you're gonna have your referrals down here. So if I go to my referrals, right? Sorry about that, guys. If I go to the referral names, you're gonna see the name, email, and status. Okay. So that means they have to be active. All right. So if they're not active, then that means that they didn't go through. All right. So basically, that's about it. So now here's another thing, guys. I want to head over to a website called Hercules. Okay. 1 second. And I'm going to show you how you can. I'm just going to go over some tips about Hercules, so that way you can get 1,000 people. Okay. So with Hercules Plus, if you go to Hercules.com, I will leave in the description down below. What you can do, you can get started for free, and then once you sign up, you get a $5 bonus once you signed up with Hercules. Okay, it's 1% free, and yes, they require the Gmail only. They do not like Yahoo or AOL Mail.com. or anything like that. They only require you to use Gmail only because they want to make sure that you send out your daily mail, okay? Every 24 hours, okay? So you get up to 1,000, you can send out 1,000 emails, and within thousands of emails a day, all right? Every 24 hours, all right? So right now, there are currently 289,717 members that's on Hercules right now, that's looking for ways to make money, or that's already advertising of their own business streams of income. So that's how everything works. So not only that, guys, you're gonna sign up. Once you sign up, and I recommend you guys to have 2 accounts. So I'm gonna have the link in the description so that way you can upgrade. Okay? I mean, not upgrade, but you can sign up for free. All right? So that's how everything works, guys. And I just want to let you guys know that if you ever want a video call with me and you want to schedule a video call with me, then go ahead and do me a favor right now. Like this video, comment down below where are you from and what's your favorite vacation would you like to go? Where you like to travel to? And if you could do those things for me, then you will be the lucky person to win my free video Zoom call within the next 24 hours. Okay? So without that being said, guys, my name is Shaquan Motri, and I want to thank you guys for watching this video, and I want to make sure you're having a great, safe day, and just make sure, keep your head up above water, and just make sure you hop on this website so you can able to start making some money, and you can run free traffic, okay? So without that being said, guys, my name is Shaquan Motri, and I'll see you guys later, and have a good one. All right, y'all. Peace.